Good morning, guys. How are you all doing? Welcome back to the vlog. I've not been feeling fine for close to a week now, but I'm back on my feet and myself. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. I would have made a post too, but I was like, since you're not going to make any video and all of that, why say anything? Like, it's like me giving excuses without putting in the work. So I just told myself that once I get back myself, I'll just start and upload. If that's not good, let me know. But I just feel that nobody cares. It gets so they just put IP you to watch your videos. I might be wrong, sha, but there's somebody's comment that is someone they like that. I think she might be a Filipino, was in Singapore, I guess. I'm not sure. When I saw her this year and what she wrote, like, it really encouraged me that time. I was like, wow, people can be nice. So that's by the way. I just said let me come up here, show up and do a vlog that will probably go up on Monday because I really want to start back. And today hopefully I want to shoot a Gele tutorial video that is going to go up tomorrow because today is Saturday. Today is Friday, so normally Gele tutorial videos go up on Saturday. So that's just it. The election vlog, since I was unable to post it last week Thursday again, like I promised, I don't know, I'm not going to post it because it's already stale, and with the situation of things in the states now, I don't know, I just don't want to post it again. That's just that. Any other thing, I'll let you guys know, so come along with me. Let me put in effort and make a good video for you guys. This is what I'm watching. Good afternoon.
Thank you. More so. I'm thinking of going out tonight. Oh my god.
Oops. And this is my breakfast. Should I open or close? Just give it a Oh, bye. Okay. Happy Sunday, guys. How are you all doing? Hope you went to church. Don't be like me. It's not a good habit. Hey, good. Let me focus on what I'm doing, I beg. Summer house to visit you. guys, the walk today was very refreshing. I don't know if you guys are even seeing me well, sharp. But we've come to the end of the vlog. I'm going to start a new one tomorrow, which is Monday. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos to your friends and family so that we are going to have new members. Yes, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. I Let me not say anything. Just stay tuned. You're going to get more vlogs coming. See you guys later.